friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I brought you another recipe which I am sure will be loved by all of you, which is called Baingan Ka Bharta or Brinjal Bharta, better known as eggplant. Before we go ahead, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to make Baingan Ka Bharta are baigan or brinjals 2 or 500 grams, onions 4 chopped, tomatoes 4 chopped, ginger garlic paste or adrak lasan paste 2 teaspoons, curry leaves or curry patta 10 to 15, cumin seeds or jeera 1 teaspoon, turmeric or haldi powder half a teaspoon, 2 green chillies sliced, 2.5 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a cup coriander or dhania patta chopped, 3/4 teaspoon salt or as per taste, hing or asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. Apply a little oil to your hands and apply it on the baingan. Light the gas stove and place the brinjal on the burner, keeping the flame on sim. The brinjal is being placed on a slow flame and kept turned occasionally to make it roasted properly. The brinjal or baingan is roasted properly and ready to be removed. Now I will turn off the flame. Baingan has cooled down and now we will remove the skin. Now we shall mash the baingan, which is roasted and soft, with a fork or a potato masher. The mashed brinjal is ready. Place a wok on the stove and light the gas. Pour the oil into the kadai. Put the cumin or jeera into the hot oil. Add the hing. Add the green chillies. Add the curry leaves. Now add the ginger garlic paste. Add the onions and saute the onions till transparent. The onions are sauteed and transparent. Add the turmeric or haldi. Now add the tomatoes and let it cook till it's soft. Cover the lid and slow the flame. After 3 minutes, the tomatoes have turned nice and soft. Now you can add the mashed roasted baigan. Mix it nicely. Add the garam masala and the salt. Mix it well. Salt can be adjusted as per your taste. Now add the coriander leaves and mix it together. Stir for 2 or 3 minutes. Your Baingan Ka Bharta or Brinjal Bharta is now ready to be eaten. Our Baingan Ka Bharta is ready. Do try this dish at home. and let me know in the comment section below. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.